Good morning, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about water shortage. Obviously, water is considered and is called our most beautiful and precious resource around the world because all of the people need water. Obviously, water is a really important resource around the world because we need water in everywhere and every way. Obviously, we need water every day. Obviously, I think so that we need a lot of water because we need to drink, because we need to take a shower, and obviously we need to brush our teeth, and obviously we have to do different activities with water because obviously we have to clean clothes, clean cars, and obviously water is used for a lot of different kinds of activities. And obviously the problem is when when people abuse the abuse of the water resource, when they are going to running water, and is when water is going to lose because water is going to lack of this essential, because water is going to lose this quantity, because we as human beings, we are wasting water in different occasions, and obviously in habits of every day that we are going to do. And this example, when are brushing our teeth, obviously we are running water until we are finished, and obviously in this case we are losing between 5 to 10 gallons of water every day, and obviously the water is going to wasting in different situations. And obviously the problems that countries and communities face when there is a water shortage, obviously they enfront a lot of big problems, because water constitutes the most enrichment resource around the world. And obviously when this kind of countries or communities face water shortage, they experiment, and obviously they experiment every day without water, and obviously they can do the things that can correspond to habits, and obviously they can use water. They can use water because they are not going to be sure that the water is really adequate for their environment and for their lives, because when there is a water shortage, and obviously in this case when there is water shortage, sometimes water can be very dirty, and obviously that is not acceptable for the human consumption. And obviously water is important because we can contribute to our world, because our bodies are composed mainly for water. We can survive without food, but we can survive without water between 3 or 5 days. And obviously the best way that I'm going to do to protect our water supplies can be that we have to be very conscious and have to take into account that water is not forever, because water can be affecting. Obviously someday we are going to lose this incredible, most precious resource if we are going to do the same things that we do at the actually environment, at the actually life. That is, for example, running water, wasting water in different things that are not going to important. And obviously in these cases we are losing and we are wasting water. Each gallon of water is very important, and obviously the loss of wasting waters in things that are not important and things that it doesn't matter, we are going to lose water every day and every month and every year. And obviously water is not going to be available for us anymore anytime, because we are going to remember that we are wasting water when we have the possibility to use water, and we are not going to use the water in this case. And obviously the main idea that I are going to share that about protect our water supplies can be that we are going to be very conscious to use less water, and obviously to use water only for the essential activities that we are going to do. Now running water when we are brushing our teeth, and when we are cleaning our cars, and when we are cleaning our clothes, because water is really important for us, and without water we can survive. And obviously that's it. I am going to thank you so much. That's all.